the newest member of the Switch family. This new system features a vibrant 7-inch OLED screen and a wide adjustable stand for easy viewing in tabletop mode. This console features 64GB internal storage, enhanced audio, and a dock with a built-in wired LAN port. My name is Madi, and in this video, first we will unbox it, then we will talk about its pros and cons, and finally, is this device worth buying? Let's start. For pros, hybrid game console. The Switch can be used as a handheld game console similar to Nintendo DS and the newer Steam Deck, as well as its younger brother, the Nintendo Switch Lite. Furthermore, it can also be used as a tabletop console similar to the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. This is its main selling proposition. Large OLED screen, impressive game library, cloud gaming support. This game console also supports cloud gaming via the Switch Cloud streaming service for running game titles that require more hardware capabilities than a device allows. Cloud gaming gives both gamers and developers more options to maximize the benefits of owning a Nintendo Switch, and for cons, pricier than other models. A higher price tag is one of the notable drawbacks or disadvantages of the Nintendo Switch OLED. Absence of 4K capability. The television output also doesn't support 4K resolution. Tabletop consoles such as the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One X can play and stream game at 4K resolution. Game titles that support higher resolution provide a more immersive gaming experience and maximize the advantages of 4K monitors. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know, subscribe to our channel so I can find a host of clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.